A for apple. B for bowl. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for head. I for igloo. J for joker. K for kiwi. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for owl. P for pigeon. Q for quill. R for rose. S for ship. T for turtle. U for umbrella. V for van. W for window. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zoo. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.